Hi guys, so we snuck onto the show floor and we're getting a sneak peek at MSI's dual screen e-reader. This is something we've actually really never kind of seen before in a working prototype mode. So we're looking at it right now. Just give you a little background quickly on the specs inside. You've got an Intel Atom processor. It's using the Menlo processor. It's a Z530 processor, so you get good battery life, and that's why you're running a full Windows 7 operating system here. So really cool. You've got two 10-inch displays, so it's kind of like this is your top netbook and this is where your keyboard would be, which is pretty clever. And let's say you want to bring up that keyboard, you can bring your keyboard up here on the bottom and then type away. But this is a very early prototype, and so software is definitely a little wonky, but you'll notice here there's haptic feedback on the tablet here, so I'm feeling like a little bit of a vibration on my finger, very similar to haptic feedback type touch screens on cell phones. And here we were in that full mode, but they're planning on putting an accelerometer in it, so when you would be able to turn it, it would adjust orientation. That's not working now, but we're just trying to give you a really nice look at the device. And let's show you how thin it is.
This is the dominant, so it doesn't really give you a functionality.
It's pretty thin there.
They're all dummies?
No, this one's
and when closed, we're not going to close it. It looks really kind of like a very slim netbook. So you've got a USB port here. So you can really see where MSI went here. They kind of took their tablet or their netbook form factor and turned it into a full slate type of device. And we're just going to kind of just show you again on the screen here the Windows 7 operating system, if we can get this closed. So obviously they're still working on the software, but it looks really, really cool, and I really like the idea of having the full Windows 7 operating system instead of some sort of slimmed down Linux kernel running. But here they've got that rotate screen, but they mentioned a sort of thing, so we actually did get it to switch there. But thank you for learning along with us, and let's see what this does. Alright, that's not doing anything, but this is a really nice first look at this device. It's really, really cool. They don't have a name for it yet. They don't have a price, but this is a first look here at CES 2010 from Engadget. We actually found out one more thing here about this really cool dual screen. It is multi-touch, which he told us before, but it's actually working. So pretty cool here. You're only getting two forms of input, but that's good enough for us. So you could see kind of like the application where you have someone on this side and someone on that side using it, very similar to what OLPC is shown with their XO 3. So maybe you're playing two games and you got one finger over there, one finger over there. So definitely a very cool device here that we hope they perfect a little bit and bring to market sometime soon.